So we've had this brick pizza oven around the side of our house since my wife purchased the house in 2009. It was built by the previous owners, and she has never used it in the 11 years she's been here. So while we've been stuck at home for the coronavirus, I made it my mission to get the oven cleaned out and be able to cook a pizza in it. So this video is our first test of making a homemade wood-fired brick oven pizza. Here she's adding some of her mother's homemade tomato sauce. This tomato sauce is one of the reasons I married her, because her mother seems to make it fairly frequently for us. There's some onions on there, and some garlic. And this pizza is just about ready to go in the oven. This is Ziggy, and Ziggy could not care less about pizza. So for our second pizza, we went for more of a grandma style. Same dough, but with some fresh sliced tomatoes, a little bit of onion and garlic on one side of it, and some fresh sliced mozzarella. You just need to add some fresh basil, and this is ready to go in the oven as well. He still doesn't care. Now he cares. So the one on the right got a little bit mangled coming off the tray, and we brought it outside because apparently we didn't use enough flour. So now it's a pizza calzone. Otherwise, the other one looks really nice. Even though it looked like a disaster, it actually kind of tasted amazing. The grandma pie looked much more like an actual pizza. This one definitely came out better than the first one did.